We have all been there. It's raining heavily outside, and instead of enjoying the cozy weather indoors, you're looking out the window worrying about your house. You see water cascading over the sides of your roof, pulling right at your foundation, and leaving ugly stains on your walls. Your home is likely your biggest investment, but every time it rains, thousands of liters of water run off your roof. Without the right management system, that water silently attacks your home, eroding your landscape, cracking your foundation, and causing dampness inside your house that can cost thousands to fix. Well, if you're thinking about installing gutters, or if your current gutters are rusting, sagging, or leaking, then it's time for an upgrade. Let's talk about PVC gutters and why they are the ultimate solution for rainwater collection. For a long time, metal gutters were the standard. But let's be honest, galvanized steel eventually rusts. And should you choose to go for premium metals like copper or aluminum, they can completely break your budget. That is where PVC comes in. PVC is durable, cost effective, and a rust proof alternative that protects both your home and your wallet. Let's break down the reasons why PVC gutters are the smart choice for your home. Reason number one, they don't rust or corrode. Well, unlike steel, PVC is entirely unaffected by moisture, high humidity, or even salty coastal air. You can be assured that it will never rust, rot, or flake. PVC is built to handle damp environments year after year. The reason number two is that it's very affordable. PVC gutters give you premium reliable performance without the premium price tag. They are significantly more affordable upfront than metal alternatives, leaving you with extra room in your installation budget or renovation budget. Reason number three is that they are high weather and UV stable. Some people worry that plastic might crack in the sun, but the high quality UPVC system is engineered with UV stabilizers. This means that they can handle intense, prolonged sun exposure without cracking, peeling, or fading. Reason number four is that they are so easy to install. The best part about PVC gutters is that they're designed with ease of use in mind. They are lightweight and come in pre-measured lengths, making them easy to cut and fit. So whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time homeowner, you can get them installed without hassle. Last but not least, they are beautiful. PVC gutters aren't just a functional part of your home. They come in a variety of colors to seamlessly match the style of your home. But the benefits don't stop at durability. Let's talk about everyday performance. Because PVC has an incredibly smooth interior surface, water flows through it easily and quickly. Now, this sleek design does something else amazing. It prevents leaves, small twigs, and debris from sticking and clogging up the system. And speaking of maintenance, it's practically non-existent. Because they don't rust, you never have to scrape them, prime them, or paint them. All they need is a quick annual checkup and an occasional flush with a garden hose to remove loose leaves. That's it. And if you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or you're looking to save on labor cost, you love how lightweight they are. They're easy to transport, handle, and mount, which means faster installation times and less hassle for whoever is putting them up. At the end of the day, a gutter system isn't just an accessory, it's a shield. By choosing a reliable water collection system, you're ensuring that rainwater is captured and channeled completely away from your property. You're protecting your roofline from rot, your exterior walls from unsightly water stains, and your foundation from shifting. It's a total peace of mind every time it rains. Well, don't wait for the next major storm to find out your old gutters aren't up to the task. Upgrade to a system that lasts. Click the link in the description to shop on our website, or if you prefer, visit our shop along Kiambu Road next to Total Kiambu Road, and our team will help you find the perfect PVC rainwater gutter for your home, complete with all the matching brackets, downpipes, and fittings you need for flawless installation. Protect your home, save your budget, and enjoy the rain again. Visit Advanced Builders Hardware today.